Why does the two-nation theory still matter today? Pakistan and Indian nation, two separate states in the world map, two states which were once a part of one subcontinent. They got separated on the basis of religion. The theory of Pakistan is based on the idea that Hindus and Muslims are two separate nations, and if they are to live together in one country, they will always be at loggerheads with each other. So in order to solve this problem, they decided to part ways. That's how we got Pakistan and Bangladesh. But why does this matter today? Why can't we just put this partition trauma behind us and move on? We should. But the fact is, we haven't. The two-nation theory still dominates the political discourse in both India and Pakistan. It influences their foreign policy, their domestic policy, their public perception of each other. Why does Pakistan support separatist movements in Jammu and Kashmir, or for that matter Punjab or Sindh? Because the notion of Pakistan as a state is intrinsically linked to the idea of Muslim separatism. If Muslims can't have their own state, then the idea of Pakistan is pointless. And this idea has been drilled into the minds of ordinary Pakistanis. For decades, Pakistan has propagated the notion of an external threat from India. This was to counter any possible movement for the unification of the two states. Even today, Pakistan's political class uses India as a bogey to rally the public. Whether it's about Kashmir or the so-called threat to Islam in India, the objective is the same: to keep the two states apart. What about India? The Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir has been a bone of contention between India and Pakistan since 1947. Article 370 gave special status to Jammu and Kashmir. It allowed the state to make its own laws. It also allowed its citizens to buy land only for agricultural purposes. In essence, Article 370 gave the people of Jammu and Kashmir more rights than the people of any other Indian state. What did Pakistan do? They challenged this provision in the Supreme Court of India. And when the Indian government revoked it, Pakistan went to the United Nations Security Council. Why? Because this article was not about religion. It was about giving a state within a state more rights. And by taking away this article, India had set a bad example. That's what Pakistan told the world. Forget for a moment that Article 370 was an Indian internal matter. Pakistan dragged the Kashmir issue to the United Nations. They politicized it, communalized it, and internationalized it. And this is all because of the two-nation theory. It is the foundation of Pakistan's foreign policy. So to answer the question in the title, the two-nation theory still matters because it hasn't gone away. It continues to influence the political class, the bureaucracy, the media, and the people on both sides of the border.